I could not be more obsessed with this cucumber, avocado, and tomato salad. It only requires 5 main ingredients and it takes less than 15 minutes to whip it all up. This side salad can be served alongside many dishes, but I love serving it as a healthy side to tacos or fajitas. With the added cilantro in the salad, it plays great off of Mexican-inspired flavors. I can't wait for you to make this healthy summer salad. I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. The best part about this salad is that you only need a handful of ingredients, some fresh and some that you'll probably find in your pantry. Starting out, you'll need 5 ounces of red cherry tomatoes and 5 ounces of yellow cherry tomatoes. Simply halve these using a sharp chef's knife, and if they're really large, you can even cut them into quarters. A sharp chef's knife is going to be essential for this recipe, so I will link my favorite, which is under $50, in the description below so you can grab one. Once all the tomatoes are cut, transfer those to a bowl, and then we're moving on to a cucumber. This recipe uses an English cucumber, which has less seeds and also a less thick skin than your traditional cucumber. It's great because there's no peeling required. You can just chop it up, and I usually like to do kind of bite-sized pieces. Once all of these are done, go ahead and throw them in the same bowl. This recipe is awesome because you're kind of building the salad as you go and as you're prepping all the vegetables. Next up, you'll need half of a medium red onion. I prefer to finely dice the red onion. This makes sure that there's no big chunks of onion, especially if there are people in your family who don't love eating onion in their salad. First, start by cutting the onion horizontally. Then from there, you'll want to make vertical cuts. How close you cut to each other will determine the size of the dice, so make sure to cut fairly close together. Learning how to dice an onion is an essential skill to know in the kitchen, so hopefully this video will not only help you with the salad, but also in the future. Next, it's time to prep the cilantro. I like to shave the cilantro leaves and then just finely mince it. Don't worry about all of it being even, it just needs to be small pieces. You'll want about half a cup of cilantro for the salad. Finally, we're moving on to prepping the avocados. First, slice the avocado in half and then pull out the pit. If you're new to this, you can always hold a towel under the avocado to make sure that you don't cut yourself. Then you'll cut the flesh of the avocado into about a medium dice. Once you've done this with both of the avocados, grab a spoon and you can scoop out the avocado flesh straight into the salad. This has to be my favorite part of the salad because it makes it creamy and really just helps the dish come together. For the final steps, we're seasoning up everything with 1 teaspoon of Morton kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. Then for the dressing, you'll need 1/8 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil and 1/8 of a cup of balsamic vinegar. This classic salad dressing really finishes off the dish nicely and makes it so good. Stir everything up and then you're ready to plate it up or serve it alongside your favorite Mexican-inspired dishes.